If you are an aunt, an uncle, or grandparent who's caring for your young relative, chances are that the parents are actually not helping you financially. And you're doing this because you have a big heart, you want to help out your family. But the problem is that sometimes the parents don't see your big heart and they can take you for granted. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why legal guardianship will save you. Before we get into it, just so you know, this is the place to be to learn about adoptions, guardianships, and estate planning in Nebraska. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell button to be notified when a new video is posted every week. Also, if you want to become a legal guardian for your relative, you can click the link in the description box to book a free consultation with my law office and join the hundreds of Nebraskan families that we have helped get guardianships over their relatives. So if you're caring for your young relative right now, there's two big problems that you have. The first one is that the other parent is probably not helping you financially. They're probably not supporting you emotionally. And so you're taking the brunt of, everything that comes with caring for a child. Maybe it's 2 or 3 children that you're caring for, and that can be huge financial burdens for families. The second big problem that you have is that even if you've been caring for this child for a long time and the parent has been absent for years and years, they could just one day sweep back into your life and just take the child away, and there is nothing that you could do about it. After they take the child away, you could maybe try to go through the court system and see if you could get the kid back. But because you're not their parent, you can't physically stop that parent from coming and taking the child away from you, even if it's been years since they've seen them, okay? So those are 2 major problems that you have. And so I'm gonna share with you 3 reasons why, if you're in this situation, doing a legal guardianship can literally save you. First reason is that a legal guardianship will give you the legal right to make decisions for the child. Now, you may be going to the doctor right now, and even though you don't have any legal papers to show that you're the guardian for the child, they may still let you make appointments, even though they're not supposed to. Or you may have already enrolled the child in school, and the school may have asked you for papers, but you're like, I don't have any papers, and so they're just kind of letting you do it. They're not supposed to do that either. But once you become the legal guardian for the child, you now have paperwork from a court that gives you the legal backing to now make these decisions for the child. Medical decisions, school decisions, anything else that that child needs, you cannot make those decisions for them legally. You have the legal right to do so. The second reason why a legal guardianship will save you is that it actually suspends the rights of the natural parents. So their rights are suspended while the legal guardianship becomes in place. And so now what that means is that these natural parents have to ask you permission before they do anything regarding the child. So what that looks like for you is that the parent can just show up one day in school and take the child without you knowing. They can just come to your house one day and take the child and just say, oh, I'm here to pick up the child and I'm leaving. They can't do that because you're now the legal guardian, and they have to now go through you to do anything regarding the child, which is really, really huge. The third reason why a legal guardianship will save you is that it actually protects the child from being uprooted from the life that they know and just be all of a sudden transported to a new place, right? Think about it. If the child is going to school, they've got their friends, they've got their routine, they just have the way of life that you guys have been living all these years. And just imagine mom or dad one day knocking on your door, showing up, I want to take my child with me. And all of a sudden, that child now is just ripped from the life that they know. And that's very damaging for a child. So if you are a relative right now in Nebraska caring for your young relative, and you're thinking, yeah, this will be a good idea, I need to get legal guardianship, you can click the link below in the description box to schedule a free consultation with our law office. We can talk to you more about your next steps. All right, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.